Hello, everybody, and welcome. As I like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity, and then, of course, bounce around the market and look for something to trade. And we always start, as always, with the SPY ETF, which is the S&P 500. What's been going on? Well, we've pretty much been going up for a while, but then the last couple of days of the week, we had a big kind of down move, and you can see because of that, volatility spiked. We got all the way up here to 31. If we go next to the NASDAQ, you see a much more sharp move. This thing's kind of been dying slowly for a while, and then the last few days it really took a dump, and you can see because of that volatility is way higher. It's way up here at 71, and the Russell hasn't been doing a whole lot. You can see that thing's kind of been a lot more stable. It's kind of been around here, and because of that, volatility is low. So the volatility is fit with what's going on in the market. It tells the story. So what are we going to trade this week? Well, when volatility gets this high in an ETF or an index, I like to go to it because I like ETFs as a whole because they're a lot more stable because there's so many stocks lumped into one. One stock can do lots of crazy things, but an ETF, although it can move a lot as well, generally more stable over time than an individual stock. So, because the Qs have the highest volatility and they've been diving, we're going to go make a trade in the Qs. And I've already set this up. We're going to go right here to 43 days, which tomorrow will be 42. I'll bring this up here. What we're doing is we're going right here. We're going $50 up on the call side, $50 down on the put side, and then we're going to make a $5 wide iron condor because that's all the strikes allow us. They're not dollar wide strikes this far away. So because it's $5 wide and we require at least 33 cents per $1, 5 times 33 means 165 is our number. And as long as it's greater than 165 tomorrow, that is our trade. So if everything stays the same in the Qs, it opens up. We're going to go $50 up and down, call and put, then buy the call and put $5 away to make it a $5 wide iron condor. And we're looking to collect at least $1.65 or more in the Qs for tomorrow. Hey everyone, I'm a big believer in the old Chinese proverb of give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. And what does that mean in this instance? It means I'm not looking to give you a trade or two. I'm looking to teach you to trade so you can do this on your own and generate your own income for a lifetime. The way I look at it is this is where you all are, and this is where you want to be. And in between is a huge gap of expense, experience, time, etc. But what I'm looking to do is shorten that by building you this bridge. And how do we do that? For anyone who wants clean, simple, reliable guidance, I created the Essential Income System. You get the benefit of a structured, research-backed, experienced trader like myself, and all you need to do is follow along. And no, these aren't make-believe trades. These are fully formed trades that I'm actually doing myself in real time and sending to you in real time that are ready to execute. You don't have to guess, you don't have to stress, you just plug right into a system that works. And for those interested in not just copying trades, but actually gaining the confidence to create, make, and manage your own trades, I've created the Pro Trader Academy. It's not just alerts and it's not just courses, it's a complete trading system designed to take you from beginner to intermediate to advanced to consistent. What you need is a structured system, not scattered information. The Pro Trader Academy includes the Essential Income System, but it also includes every course I've ever made, along with every course I will make in the future, plus webinars, plus potential office hours, etc. This is valued over $2,000. Now, normally the Essential Income System is $49 a month, and the Pro Trader Academy is $99 a month. But good news, because you showed up here today, you're in luck. You can get the Essential Income System for only $1 for the first month, or you can get the Pro Trader Academy for only $19 for the first month by going to sharpertrades.com and using either one of these coupons. So, again, go to Sharper Trades or use the attached links. Again, there's no risk. You can cancel anytime. Give them a try. Make sure they are for you. And I look forward to having you join me on your journey to financial freedom. Hope to see you there.